If you're someone working with chemicals, you will know how crucial proper hand protection is. So, let's dive deep into understanding how we ensure that chemical gloves will indeed protect your hands. Chemicals pose serious risks to your skin, causing irritation, dermatitis, and even burns. In industrial and laboratory settings, workers rely heavily on gloves as a shield against potentially harmful substances. There are two main mechanisms that govern chemical resistance in gloves: permeation and degradation. Permeation is when a chemical sneaks through the glove material at a molecular level. Even if the glove looks intact, the chemical can still get through. Degradation, on the other hand, happens when a chemical damages the glove structure. This can lead to discoloration, swelling, or even cracking of the material. Now, let's talk about the permeation test. This test measures how quickly a specific chemical passes through the glove and the time it takes for the chemical to be detected on the other side. This test follows stringent standards like the EN 16523-1 2015 A1 2018 and the ISO 3741 2016 A1 2018. In the lab, the test involves a sample of the glove material being mounted in a test cell, which separate it into two chambers. One chamber is exposed to the chemical, while the other contains a collection medium, usually gas or liquid. The chemical permeates through the glove material, and its concentration is measured over time in the collection chamber. This breakthrough time, or BTT, is crucial in determining the glove's protective capabilities. The breakthrough time is deemed to have occurred when the permeation rate of the challenged chemical reaches the normalized permeation rate. The result is then reported in minutes. Each test requires the average breakthrough time of 3 samples, where the results of each test must lie within a range of plus or minus 20% of the average result. Permeation test results are categorized into performance levels from 1 to 6 based on normalized breakthrough time or NBT values. Higher the performance levels indicates greater resistance to permeation. Here's a quick rundown for performance levels from 1 to 6. According to ISO 3741 2016, there are 18 chemicals tested in the chemical permeation test. Each chemical has a code letter with its respective CAS number. A CAS number is a unique identification number assigned by the Chemical Abstract Service in the US to every chemical substance. This makes it easier to be identified. The table on screen shows the breakdown of the 18 chemicals with their respective CAS number and the class it falls into. Gloves are usually classified as type A, B, or C based on their NBT values. Type A gloves offer the highest protection, followed by type B and then type C. This classification helps you to choose the right glove for the specific chemicals that you will be handling. So, the million-dollar question is, how do you select the right chemical-resistant gloves? Step 1. You need to identify the chemicals that you will be handling. Refer to the safety data sheets or the SDS to understand the hazards and the properties of these chemicals. Step 2. Choose the glove with the breakthrough times that exceed the expected duration of exposure to each chemicals. This ensures that the gloves provide adequate protection throughout your task. Permeation testing is a critical component in selecting chemical-resistant gloves. Understanding its importance helps us to maintain a safe working environment, protecting you from chemical exposure and its associated risks. Check out the DPL Permeation Guide for detailed information on glove performance against specific chemicals. This guide will help you to make informed decisions and choose the best protection for your needs. Stay safe and protected.